Kwikset Key Control Deadbolt Test. A traditional master key system is labor-intensive, time-consuming, and costly. Kwikset and their smart key technology offers the first and only deadbolt for one-key access to all units that can be rekeyed in seconds without removing the lock from the door. Kwikset offers the smart alternative to master keying. Competition instructions. Stand at the end of the table with both hands placed on the timer until the light turns green. Start the time by taking both hands off the timer. Pick up the resident key and move to the right side of the table to the work area. Lock the key control deadbolt with the resident key. Return to the starting area and switch the resident key for the control key. Rotate the deadbolt faceplate with the rotation tool to expose the control cylinder. Unlock, then immediately lock the deadbolt. Rotate the deadbolt faceplate back to expose the resident cylinder with the rotation tool. Place the rotation tool anywhere on the base of the game display. Return the control key to the starting area beyond the checkered line on the table. Place both hands on the timer to stop the time. In this challenge, you will test the concealed cylinder in the Kwikset Key Control Deadbolt. Here's how to do it. Pick up the resident key, go to the work area, and complete these steps. Lock the deadbolt as a resident would. Return to the start area and switch the resident key for the control key. Turn the deadbolt faceplate with the rotation tool to expose the control cylinder. Unlock and then immediately relock the deadbolt. Rotate the deadbolt cover back to expose the resident cylinder using the tool. Place the rotation tool anywhere on the game display. Keep the pace up and get recognized as one of the fastest techs in the USA. Now, for the judges, please make sure to inspect the following items for each competitor. The judge will review the following requirements to certify the game was completed successfully. The deadbolt is locked with the resident key. The deadbolt is unlocked and locked with the control key. The deadbolt faceplate is turned back with the rotation tool to expose the resident cylinder bottom. Both keys are returned to the starting area beyond the checkered line on the table. The rotation tool is resting on the game display's base. A callback will be applied if any of the above requirements are not completed on the first pass. Go to hdsupplysolutions.com and search Maintenance Mania to buy Kwikset products featuring Smart Key Rekey technology. Maintenance Mania is brought to you by the National Apartment Association, HD Supply, and these national sponsors.